Now let's talk hot dogs. Everybody eats hot dogs. The best ways to eat a hot dog is to take your raw dogs and spiral bacon around them. And I love grilled onions. So I'm gonna put a little bit of that. Michael loves the jalapeno, and I love cheese on my hot dog. And I love coleslaw. Just a little slaw. Oh gosh, this looks like a Dagwood hot dog. Mmm. Mmm, mmm, mmm. It takes it from ordinary to extraordinary.